Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to change Shopify account owner. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Okay, so what you're gonna do is first of all head over to your settings, and there you should be able to see your store details, and you have store defaults and all this stuff, but we need to head over to our users and permissions, and from there you can see we have this option to transfer ownership. You're going to need this option for that. Simply enter the new store owner name, click on transfer store owner, and you are done. So that's how easily you can change the Shopify account owner. It is pretty simple, easy to do. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible, trying to fix the exact issue. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.